Hey, my Harper Woods family. I just want to show you how much I love living in my community. So, I wrote a little poem, and I hope you enjoy it. When we see some trash outside, abolish the trash and have some pride. Some people don't care and know it's wrong. Throwing trash on the ground, that's not where it belongs. Trash on the ground won't go away. It takes a big heart to clean someone else's trash every day. I wish some people see what I see. Harper Woods, a clean community. A clean neighborhood, a beautiful scene. All of us can keep Harper Woods clean. Take the trash home to dispose in garbage cans because God would appreciate us cleaning His land.
Don't walk by like you didn't see trash on the ground in your community. Deep in your mind, you know it's wrong. Trash on the ground, not where it belongs. Community is best when it is clean. Pride in your community, a beautiful thing. God gave us a clean land. Do the right thing, never helping hand. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. As we walk in our community, cleaning the land is our responsibility. Our ancestors live on this land. It's up to us to take a stand. Don't walk by like you didn't see trash on the ground in your community. Deep in your mind, you know it's wrong. Trash on the ground, not where it belongs. Community is best when it is clean. Pride in your community, a beautiful thing. God gave us a clean land. Do the right thing, never helping hand. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Keep the world clean every single day. Future generations depend on us today. Dispose the trash. That's all I have to say.